Okay, dahil nag-aayos tayo, let's talk about Barbie houses. I think I have 20 big Barbie doll houses aside from the small ones. So every house has its own story. Like this one is the 1985 Barbie house kung saan ko pinagaya yung yung life-size na Barbie house dun sa garden. And then this one, I got this from New York, by the way. And then my friend from New Jersey helped me ship it here in the Philippines kasi yung usually pag malaking item kasi hindi naman nila siniship within US. So I asked her help to ship it to me here in the Philippines. Tapos ito namang Malibu Mall, I got it from sa US din. I forgot which state. But ayun, ginamit ko yung warehouse ng company to ship it out to me. And then this one naman, nabili ko siya dito sa Philippines. Pero dalawa yung ganyan ko. Complete pa siya. It's just stock and the kid doesn't want to play with it anymore. But I wanted to have it kasi wala akong ganun. And then, favorite ko yung line na yun. This one is the Cinderella Castle. Actually, dalawa yung castle ko. Isa sa Swan Lake Castle. So, binalot ko sila ng bubble wrap para mas mabilis linisin. And then, hindi siya mapasukan ng daga or whatever, mga cockroach or what. And this is my own Barbie house when I was a little girl. Ayan. Yun talaga yung pinaglaruan ko dati, 5 years old. And I got this one. Siguro mga na ako, mga 10 years old na ako. So, masyado ako nabiting. Kaya hanggang high school naglalaro ako. Complete siya. Totally complete. There are some parts that got worn out because these are plastics. Pero, bumili ako ng mga replacement parts sa eBay. So, kompleto na siya ulit. And then this one, Hello Dream House. Ito yung pinaka-sophisticated na Barbie house. May wifi siya and then it follows your command. Tapos, nabili ko siya sa Canada and then I asked my friend to ship it to me. Itong mga to, nakalabas na sa box. This is tapos yung furniture, so I just furnished everything, got everything from eBay. And then ito I bought it from Amazon. Diretso na dito through the warehouse. This is the Life in the Dream House na talagang binili ko pa sa New York kasi ang hirap niya, ang tagal ko siya nakuha talaga. So, you know when I buy these houses kasi mamahal nila and I just want to make sure that I'm also getting a good price. So, if you notice, puro galing US talaga yung mga toys ko kasi mas mura kahit ipapaship ko pa dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos, ito yung isa sa dalawang houses that I have. The other one is right there. Wala lang, kasi OC ako dun sa Life in the Dream House. I don't even know how many Barbie dolls I have with those lines, pero sobrang dami na talaga. Ayan, may mga helicopter. Puro galing yan sa US. Kasi kahit na binibili ko siya sa US, mas mura pa talaga siya. Kahit may freight pa papuntang dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. I'm starting to clean up and, change display. Lahat ng to, nilagay sa Mega Box. These are all Barbie furnitures para mas mabilis siya linisin. Hindi na siya gaya ng dati na isang buong kwarto dinidisplay. This one are also furnitures. Some are cars. And I also have a cabinet pa na full of dolls talaga. So, ayun. These are, I'd say, 70% pa lang ng collection ito. Tapos, ang dami ko na rin nabenta. I lost count how many dolls I have. But, that's it.